So good day, sir. So today I will be doing one of our course output, which is about subnetting of networks. So dito we are given a certain problems to solve, which is meron siyang three routers and each routers meron siyang tig two PCs. So bali six PCs lahat, and then meron siyang given IP address na 192.168.0.0, and then we will going to um arrange yung PCs in chronological order based sa kanilang number of hosts. So, magiging highest to lowest siya. So, yung first is 900, next is 765, 350, 150, 125, and then 50. So, ilalagay lang natin dito. So, yung una is 900, next is 765, next is 350, then 150, 125, 50, and merong tatlong routers and yung value niyan is 2 number of hosts. So the router 1 is 2 and router 2 and the router 3. So next is kukunin natin is the CIDR and then yung data niya. So in order to get this, magbe-base tayo sa number of hosts. So under 900, ang kaya niyang i-accommodate is /22. And yung data niya is 0.0.4.0. And under 765 naman is same lang siya sa 900, which is merong /22 and 0.0.4.0. So under 350, /23, and yung data niya is 2.0.0.2.0. And then under 150 is /24. So yung data niya is 0.0.1.0. And then yung 125 is /25. And then yung data niya is 0.0.128. While yung 50 naman is /26. And yung data niya is 0.0.0.0.64. And then tong routers is /30. And then yung data niya is 0.0.0.4. Then since same lang sila, pare-parehas sila lamang. And then next is the network address. So, may given tayo dito na 192.168.0.0. So, yun yung ilalagay natin. 168. So, to get the next network address is i-add lang natin yung theta. So, 192.168.0, which is magiging 4 since 4 to. And then sa fourth octet 0 pa din. So, next is same process. I-add lang natin yung theta. 192.168.8.0. The next is 8 plus 2, which is magiging 10. 192.168.10.0. So next is 10 plus 1. 192.168.11.0. Next is 192.168.11.120. So 128 plus 64 is 192. Then 192 plus 4, 196. 196 plus 4 is 200. So next is the first usable IP address. So dito, mag-add lang tayo ng 1. So i-copy natin to. Then sa may fourth octet, papalitan lang natin ng 1. Next is 192.168.10.1. Next is 192.168.11.1. 192.168.11.128. So ito gagawin natin 193. Then ito naman magiging 197. And then 201. So next na kukunin natin is the broadcast address, which is i-copy lang natin tong network address. Pero sa may third octet is kukunin natin yung theta niya, which is 4, pero mag-minus tayo ng 1. And then sa may fourth octet, instead of using 0, gagamit tayo ng 255. So next is 192 that 168 that ito 4 plus 3. So magiging 7 that 255. So next naman is 7 sa may third octet and then plus 2. So magiging 9. 192.168.255.
So, same process lang.
9 plus 1, that 168. And then, so, minus 192 that 168 that 11 127. So pag umabot na dito sa may fourth octet, we will be using minus.
So, next is 192.
That 168 that um 11 that 191. Next is 192 that 168 that 11 that 195. Then 199 and then 203. So dito naman sa last usable address, i-copy lang natin yung broadcast address and then mag-minus 1 tayo sa may fourth octet. So, since 255 yon, gagawin natin 254 dito. Copy na lang natin. The next is 192.168.9.254. 126. Then, since 191 to, magiging 190. Then, 195, magiging 194.
Then 129 naging 198.
Oh, sh- And then, 203, magiging 202. So, yan yung subnetting table natin. And then, next is the addressing scheme. So, under router 1, dito sa fast ethernet 0/0. So, ano yun? 350 hosts. So, PC2 siya. So, dito sa IP address, ilalagay lang natin yung first usable address nila. So, 350. Ito yun, 192.168.8.0. So, yung subnet mask nito, since slash 23 yun, yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.254.
T4.0.
And then, Sa may PC5, which is yung 125, yung first usable address niya is 192.168.11.1. And then, since slash 25 yun, yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.128. So, next is yung router, yung yung serial 0/0/0 is, since DTE connection to, yung, last usable address sa may router 1 dito.
And then slash
Ito yung subnet mask na 255.255.255.252. So next is yung TCE, which is yung first usable address ng router, first usable address ng router 3. Ito, 192.168.11.201. So, same lang sila ng subnet mask. So, next is yung router 2, which is TCE connection, which is yung first usable address. So, router 2, first usable address is 197. Ay, hindi pala. Since DC ito, kunin natin yung first usable address ng
router
router 1.
1.
Then, same lang sila ng subnet masks. Yung serial naman niya, serial connection is DTE, which is yung last usable address, which is yung 198, since router 2 yan. Then, same ulit ng subnet mask. And then, yung fast ethernet sa PC1, which is yung 765, kunin natin tong 192.168.4.1. And then, yung CIDR niya is
Slash 22.
which is yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.252.0. Next is yung fast ethernet 0/1, which is yung 150 host, which is yung PC4. Ito, 192.168.10.1. So, yung subnet mask nito is 255.255.255.0. So, next is router 3. So, fast Ethernet 0.0 is yung PC6, which is yung 900 hosts.
itong 192.168.0.1 slash 22. So, yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.252.0. Next is yung fast ethernet 0/1, which is yung 50 host, EC3. So, 192.168.11.129. So, 1/26. So, yung subnet mask niya is 255.255.255.192. Next is yung serial connection sa may router. Itong DCE, since DCE siya, yung first, kukunin natin yung first usable address ng router 3. Ay, ito pala. And then since it's router, yung sa IDR niya is /30, so ito yung subnet mask niya. 255.255.255.252. So next is yung serial connection na /0/0/1, which is DTE connection to, which is yung last visible address, which is yung ito, router 3 sa may last useful address 192.168.11.202. And then, same lang siya ng subnet mask sa mga routers or C connections. Next is itong mga end devices. So, wala tayong PC0. So, NA. So, yung PC1 natin is yung 765. So, sa may IP address, ang ilalagay natin is yung last usable address. So, PC5, 765 ito. 192.168.7.254. Then, yung default gateway niya is yung first usable address, which is yung 192.168.4.1. So, kunin natin yung subnet mask niya. So, /22. So, 255.255.252.0. So, same process lang siya sa mga 10 devices, which is from PC1 to PC6. So, under PC2, yung PC2 is yung 350 host. Ito. So, last usable address. First usable address is 192.168.8.1. And then yung subnet mask niya is /23. 255.255.254.0. Next is PC3. Yung PC3 natin is yung 50 host. Ito. So, 192.168.11.190 is yung last usable address natin. So, sa default gateway naman is yung first usable IP address na 129. So, yung subnet mask niya is 126. 255.255.255.192. Next is yung PC4 na 150 host. So, yung first usable IP address is 192.168.10.1. And then 150. So, sa last usable IP address niya is 192.168.10.254. So, ito yung IP address niya. Next is yung subnet mask, which is /24 255.255.255.0. Next is yung PC5 na 125. So, yung last usable IP address niya is 192.168.11.190. Ay, PC5 1. Ito pala. 192.168.11.126. And then yung default gateway niya is 192.168.11.1. And then yung subnet mask niya is /25 255.255.255.128. Next is yung PC6 na may 900 hosts. So, yung last usable IP address niya is 192.168.3.254. So, yung default gateway naman niya is 192.168.0.1. So, yung subnet mask niya is /22 255.255.252.0. So, ito po yung subnetting of networks. Thank you for listening.